24 frames a second and a 180-degree shutter, the two numbers behind why film looks like film. 24 frames isn't the best number. It's the one our eyes learn to call cinema. 24 frames isn't the best number. It's the one our eyes learn to call cinema. The 180 rule, shutter speed at twice your frame rate. On screen, 1/48th of a second at 24 frames. Change either number and the feel of the image changes with it. Higher frame rates buy you slow motion. Shoot fast, play back at 24. Higher frame rates buy you slow motion. Shoot fast, play back at 24. A narrower shutter strips the blur away, the staccato look of war films and fight scenes. Pick the frame rate for the story, set the shutter for the feel, and break the rule only on purpose. The full reference with all the numbers is at aprocinematography.com.